We just finished a meeting with the Honorable Minister for Education, Government of India, Sri Dharmendra Pradhanji, and I had discussed regarding the Central University entrance test issue, which is becoming quite a problematic issue for a lot of our colleges which are affiliated to NEHU back in our state. When I expressed the concerns of the different students and the different colleges, the Honorable Minister was understood the issue, understood the problem, and a very positive response came from him, where they have agreed that there will be certain areas in which they will try to exempt some of our colleges which are not necessarily centrally funded, which are either privately or funded through the state government or aided through the state government. Those colleges will not have to give the exam. So we are waiting for a formal communication which will come in a day or two, but a very positive response, and we are hopeful that most of our students who are studying or who plan to study in these colleges which are privately run or are affiliated or are funded or aided by the state government, they will not have to appear for this exam. Again, I thank the Honorable Minister for his positive response, and we will wait for an official communication from them to ultimately inform everybody about it.